Prices of gas keep increasing and affecting our daily finances. But I have good news. I introduce you to the amazing Sunny Gold Magic Cooker. It comes in two parts, the inner pot and the outer jacket. Cooking is done in the inner pot. Please don't cook in the outer jacket. This is how to use Sunny Gold Magic Cooker. First, remove the inner pot from the outer jacket. Put your food in the inner pot and place it on your gas stove until food starts boiling. Turn off the stove and put the inner pot with boiling food into the outer jacket. Cover it and lock the pot. The food will continue to boil for about 20 minutes and cook without fire. This will save you more gas and money. It can keep your food very hot for about 5 hours and also serve as an ice jacket. Sunny Gold Magic Cooker is a quality 304 stainless steel product and comes in various sizes and colors. Save more gas, save more money and time. Use Sunny Gold Magic Cooker to cook your rice, wache, jollof, soup, ampesi, and anything that boils. Now available on the market. For bulk purchase, contact C Magic Ventures. Telephone 0540 439 339.
Sunny Gold Magic Cooker cooks like magic.